Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to take this front screen off from the Apple Mac computer, so we can replace the hard drive, the regular hard drive, into the SSD hard drive. You're going to need this tool. It's kind of like a pizza cutter with a plastic cutter tool. You can order that from Amazon for about $10. I will place that link into a description below. All you do, start from the corner somewhere and just gently push it in a little bit, and then just start cutting. It's the same process as if you were to cut a pizza, but slowly you will feel that it's actually going in until this end, which is this right here, starts touching your screen. You know at that point that the screen glue has been cut properly. You want to go all the way around. What I like to do is I like to cut the 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. I don't cut the bottom side. Then I just pull that screen out a little bit and replace the hard drive quickly. Okay, I'm gonna start pulling it slowly, making sure that it does not fall completely. Alright, perfect. Oh, it's a little dirty from inside too. Let me show you. Okay, and as you can see, these 2 wires right here, they're attached to the screen. This is the screen, and that is the hard drive we need to replace. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount or place this on a floor, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. I am not going to take this screen out completely. As you can see, in the bottom it's still attached. I'm not going to take that out. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, and then I'm going to rest this screen somewhere like that, so then I don't have to take these 2 wires off. Okay guys, so I have rested the screen on this pillow so it does not fall. The bottom part of the screen is all taped still. The wire, there's no tension on it, which is good. You don't want to pull this out too much where the tension is on the wire. So the pillow is holding that. This is the SSD I plugged in just to test before taking all this out, just to test if everything is working fine. Now I'm gonna take all this out and then just plug in the SSD. So everything is working fine at this point. Let's unscrew everything and we can get that installed. So T8, this is a special screwdriver. It's a star screwdriver, which is the only screwdriver which fits in here. And all right, so this hard drive just came up like that. Let me put the screw down first. And as you can see, this is the bracket. Okay, this bracket just slides off. It is literally just being held down with these 2 screws. Okay, all right, so I'm going to, let's put this back a little bit. Okay, so no tension. I'm gonna unscrew these. Oh, and one more thing, I want to mention that we need an enclosure for that, so SSD can sit on that, and then we can put it inside the computer. So you will see how that works. Is how to put this, whether you put it this way. If you put it this way, then the hard drive needs to go like that. But then you see the connectors here, you want to match that with here. The smaller one is on this side, so I want to make sure it will connect. Okay, yeah, it will connect. The only thing is I need to put it like that. And then it will go. The wire comes from the back. And yeah, it will attach. So now I need to put these screws in the back right here. So let me get some screws. Plug in the wire. Okay, these two should go in the holes here. There we go, nicely tucked in. I'm gonna put in the top screw first, so this is resting well. Now the next step here, that's going to be a little time consuming, is, you see this tape? We need to remove that tape. This black right here, actually this is already removed, good, but I'm going to clean that up. But there's tape right here, all this tape on the side, all the way up here, all the way in the bottom, even on the screen side, and all this. I need to clean that and do it properly. No dust, no dirt, should not have anything there. And then we're gonna apply a new tape. So I'm gonna probably fast forward it from here. Okay guys, so I have cleaned up all the tape from all the three corners from the screen and the back plate. I've cleaned everything. Now I'm gonna have to put the tape. Now when you're putting, or when you purchase these tapes, you want to make sure that you check each one of the tape, how they're gonna go. Most of these, they come labeled. Like the previous one I did, they come labeled with the numbers, and it shows you which number goes where. But this one, there are no labels here. So because I just did that recently on the other computer, I know exactly which one goes where. But in your case, you can just check that is if it fits in this section, because this one has a little cut right here. So you will see when I put a tape over here, you will see that tape is a little bit different. So anyway, let's start off. So this tape is a little bit off, as you can see. This right here is extra. There's nothing in the back, and this little piece is left. So since it's a small section, I don't think it should matter that much. But yeah, this tape is not exactly cut according to this system, it seems. Anyway. The tough part is done. I'm gonna take this, all these white tapes, the front part off, and then stick the screen. So let's do that now. Anyway, so remember, the bottom part of the screen is still on. I have not taken any glue or anything out, so that is still stuck. And at this point, I'm just going to push it back. I just want to make sure everything is good. Yep, and start like that. Okay, what else I like to do on top of this is I like to put a tape on 3 sides of this as a backup for at least 2 weeks, just to make sure that the screen does not just gonna fall off. This is a regular general purpose tape. We're going to start the computer just to make sure everything is working. Okay, as you can see, everything is working. So if you guys like the video, make sure to hit that like button and the bell notification icon on the video for any future videos. If you guys need to get in touch with us via email or phone, you can always reach us at LoyalTech in Security, or visit us online at loyaltechsecurity.com. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us and we will be more than happy to help you. All right, until then, take care. You guys have a nice day.